Another day, another story. In 1800, President John Adams, a member of the Federalist Party, lost the presidential election to Thomas Jefferson of the Democratic-Republican Party. Before Jefferson took office, Adams and his Federalist Party attempted to maintain their influence by passing the Judiciary Act of 1801. This act created several new federal judgeships and justices of the peace, which Adams quickly filled with Federalist appointees. Among these appointees was William Murbury, who was designated to serve as a Justice of the Peace for the District of Columbia. However, the delivery of Marbury's official commission was delayed, and when Jefferson assumed the presidency in March 1801, his new Secretary of State, James Madison, refused to deliver the commissions to the appointed judges, including Murbury. Believing his rights had been violated, Murbury sought recourse from the Supreme Court and filed a writ of mandamus, a legal order compelling Madison to deliver his commission. The case reached the Supreme Court in 1803, with Chief Justice John Marshall presiding over the court. Marshall faced a difficult dilemma. If he ordered Madison to deliver Marbury's commission, the Jefferson administration might simply ignore the court's decision and undermine its authority. On the other hand, if Marshall refused to issue the writ, it could be seen as the court's reluctance to assert its power. In a landmark decision, Marshall established the principle of judicial review. The court held that while Murbury did have a right to his commission, the Judiciary Act of 1789, which had granted the court the power to issue such a writ, was unconstitutional. Marshall argued that Congress had exceeded its constitutional authority by granting the Supreme Court powers beyond those explicitly granted in the Constitution. In doing so, Marshall asserted that it was the Supreme Court's duty to interpret the Constitution and declare acts of Congress unconstitutional if they violated it. Thus, while Murbury did not receive his commission, the case of Murbury versus Madison had a far-reaching impact. It established the power of the Supreme Court to exercise judicial review, affirming the court's role as the ultimate interpreter of the Constitution and the final arbiter of the law. This landmark decision solidified the court's authority and significantly shaped the balance of power among the three branches of the federal government in the United States. Thanks for watching.